What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a arm shaving video. So yeah, this video isn't meant to be taken serious at all. This isn't a service I provide. I would not just be shaving some random person's arms. The girl in the video is like my little sister-in-law. I've known her since before she was born. So this isn't just some random person's arms that I'm shaving. Like I said, this video is meant to be satisfying, a little bit weird, just something to create some content, you know. But this is a great way. Like, I remember in high school when I wanted to get better with the straight razor, I would shave my arms, my legs, my girlfriend's legs. If I got a new pair of clippers, my arms would be all cut up because I'm trying to make like the perfect liner. Real barbers know what I'm talking about. So if you're looking to get better with a straight razor, shaving somebody's arms, face, like, it's not as weird as it sounds when you're trying to get better using the straight razor. Get a little bit more comfortable with it. And that's all I'm showing in today's video. It's a satisfying shave, kind of a straight razor tutorial, but like I said, not to be taken serious. So let's get into the video. And just like my face shaving videos, the first thing we have to do is prep the hair. We want the hair as soft as possible so it gets removed as easily as possible. This is a hot steamer. You have to be careful when using this. Keep it like maybe a foot away from the skin because it is very, very hot. So when you combine that heat with the shaving gel, as you guys can see right here, the heat kind of softens up the hair, opens up the pores. Now the shaving gel is also going to soften up the hair, but it's going to allow that razor to glide easier by lubricating the skin. So as you guys can see, with one pass of the straight razor, little to no effort, the hair is coming right off like butter. So that's why it's very important to prep the hair. But like I said, this video is not meant to be instructional, so I don't want it to make it seem like a tutorial on how to shave somebody's arm, but I do want you guys to practice and know good shaving techniques. And one thing, someone always asks me, why don't I use shaving cream? Shaving cream just covers up the whole area. I can't really see up under the shaving cream. So imagine if my client had some type of scab, a mole, a bump, or eczema, or anything like that. If I'm not able to see it before I shave it, I might take off the bump or the mole or whatever the case may be and make her skin damaged. So with shaving gel, it's transparent. I can see what I'm doing. So like I said, if you're becoming a barber, using a straight razor is essential. You have to know how to use it. Your lineup to be a lot crispier. You can provide more services. Let's say someone comes in with a bald head and you want to give them a straight razor shave. If you're not comfortable with shaving that head, then you're missing out on money. So this little step by shaving someone's arms can make you thousands of dollars with the straight razor. Whether it's shaving faces, or you can charge for that. You can shave somebody's head, somebody's beard. If someone wants to come in and get their arm shaved, hey, if you want to charge them, go ahead. But having basic essential techniques with the straight razor is important. So if you're wondering if I left her shoulder hairy and her tricep area, I obviously shaved off camera. It's very hard to shave those areas and film it at the same time, so I just left it for the time being. After I was done filming, I shaved it. But here's a little before and after of one arm to the next arm. Yeah, very, very satisfying. So a couple rules that I have in mind when using the straight razor to help you guys out is always prep the hair. I always tell you guys that that's 90% of the battle. Always use a sharp, fresh blade. The sharper, the better, because a dull razor will get caught on the skin and it will cut the skin. Now that's the main thing. Never get the razor caught on the skin. Don't cut a pimple off. If there's wrinkles, flatten out the skin with your opposite hand. Keep that razor at a flat angle at all times. 90-degree angle is not ideal. You want it to be 45, 30-degree angle. So if there's any girls out there that wax their arms, shaving your arms is not gonna make your hair grow back any thicker. It's like shaving your legs. You shave your legs, what, twice a week, maybe once a week, depending on the season. Maybe in winter you go once a month. I don't know. Whatever you guys do, you guys know that shaving your legs do not make the hair grow back thicker. Same thing here. But I also don't want you guys, if you shave your arms, please do not forget your biceps. Your biceps are just as hairy as your forearms. The hair is just a little bit blonder and lighter, but the hair is present, as you guys can see. So if you happen to be shaving your arms on a regular, do not forget your hands. I don't know if you guys know this, but a lot of people have hair on their hands, and you're probably looking at your hands right now. Yes, you have hair on your hands. So if you shave your arms, if you wax your arms, do not forget your hands. So as you guys can see, her arms came out flawless, no cuts, no irritation. So with proper shaving techniques, you can shave any part of the body. And this should last 2 to 3 weeks depending on how fast her hair grows back. Moving on to the post shave, we're just gonna use a wet towel to get rid of any of that loose hair or shaving gel that might be left on the skin. Then we're gonna go in with some type of body wash / face wash. This is good for eczema. I don't know if you guys know this brand, but it's a very good face / body wash. So obviously the best part after a shave, whether it's your legs or arms, is to apply some type of lotion. It's going to leave that skin super soft and moisturized. And that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Leave a like if you did. Once again, do not take this video as serious as I know you guys are. But once again, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.